Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a folded card in Canva. To start, open Canva and in the search bar, type folded card. Choose a template that suits your needs from the variety of options displayed. Click on Customize this template to begin editing. Double-click on the text to modify it with your desired content. Now, let's replace the image. If you encounter difficulty replacing an image, go to the Position tab and adjust the layering order of the images. Drag and drop your image onto the existing image to replace it. Double-click to resize and reposition the image as needed. Readjust the layering order of the images if necessary. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To download your folded card, navigate to Share and then select Download. Choose the file type as PDF print and click on Download. Congratulations! You have successfully created a folded card in Canva. Thank you for watching.